now we go. So we have a question right here. So the question say, in a Cartesian plane. So Cartesian plane means what I'm gonna do. I can draw my little Cartesian plane, but let me read first. They say in a Cartesian plane means XY plane. So you can do your little XY plane here. Say X, Y plane, something like this. This is X and this is Y. So they say there's two vertices of a square. Means in that square, they only give you two vertices. Maybe this and that, maybe this and that, or this and that. We're not sure right now. So they say those two vertices are 3 and 4. Oh, so we have 3 and 4 means x equal to 3 and y equal to 4. So excuse me, sorry. So we go x equal to 1, 2, 3. But y equal to 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. So they meet up somewhere here. Here's what it means. X equal to 3 and y equal to 4. Now another coordinate. X equal to -2, y equal to -1. Means x equal to -2. This is x-axis, remember. So -1, -2, -2, yes. And y equal to -1. So -1 means this is y-axis. -1 means here, -1. So where do they meet up? -1 and -2, they meet up here. So you're going to say this is going to be -2 and -1. So now how are we going to get another coordinate? Another coordinate is easy because if this is a coordinate and this, how I'm going to make a square? To make a square, let me use another pen here. I'm going to make like this. Of course, this must be another point. And of course, to make it square, this must be another point. Because square look like this. All the sides are equal. That's a square, means all the length are equal. So for that case now, I'm going to say my square is going to be like this. So then I can know this coordinate straight away because look, the value of x here is going to be the same. Means even here is going to be what? It's going to be 3. But the value of y in the horizontal is going to be the same. Meaning this is going to be -1 and this is going to be -1 also. Okay, same here. The value of x here is going to be the same. Means if this is -2, this is going to be -2. But the value of y here is going to be the same. Means if this is 4, this is going to be also going to be 4. So we have all the coordinates. But now let's say here the other two vertices has a coordinate, so we have to pick what? And if we can find either this or that, and then it's going to be the answer. Now let's check here. 3, -1. Do you have 3, -1? No, there is no 3, -1 because these are other coordinates here, which is this and that. Means -2 and +4. So let me do this. This is -2 and +4. Let me do this. So this is -2 and +4. So these are other coordinates. So now let's go to the option, see which one we have here. Now let's go. 3 and -1. Do you have 3 and -1? No, it's other way around. So it's wrong. It must be exact. Okay, now -2, 4. The last option. This is not. This is not. So option is going to be the last one. The last option. Now let's go to the next question. The next question, what I'm going to do, doesn't mean I'm going to erase everything because the next question is underneath. And then I'm going to drag up a little. Okay, I'm going to drag up a little. Okay, thank you. So now let's drag up the page. Yeah, I hope you all can see here. Okay, let me see first if it's visible. Yeah, it's not visible. So the next question here, let's say let's go to the question here. They say a straight line passes. The straight line passes. Excuse me, sorry. Silence. The straight line passes through the point, this one and that one. The coordinate of x-intercept of a line is, okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to find a line of equation because since you have a 2 coordinate, we can find that line. The equation is standard equation of a line is y equal to mx plus c, y equal to mx plus c. So the first thing you do, you find the m. M is the slope. How do you get m? Look, you say m equal to change in y means change in y over change in x. Or sometimes you can say y2 minus y1 and then over x2 minus x1. Okay, now you say your m, let's get our m. M equal to y2. What is a y2? Y2 means take this, my apologies, so y2, you can take this and this is make y1. So this is going to be y2, make this y2 and make this y1 and make this x2 and make this x1. So y2 means the 4. We say 4 minus. What is y1? y1 means negative 3. So 4 minus 3 over x2. x2 means this one, which is 4, minus x1. x1 means this 2, which is 2. So this is going to give us 4 minus 3 equal to 7. And then 4 minus 2 equal to 2 is 7 over 2. So instead of m, I'm going to say y equal to 7 over 2 x plus c. And the next thing is now take n of these two coordinates, n1. Either you can use this or this. So let me use that one. Either one does not matter. It's going to give the same answer. Call this first equation. I apologize. Somebody's constantly calling me. So now call this first equation, and then now let's use this one. And then right here, this y you represent by this, you replace by this y, which is 4, equals 7 over 2. We just put 7 over 2. X, the value of x, replace with that, which is going to be 4, and then plus c. Okay? Now you say, let's simplify now. If you divide 2 and 2, this is going to give you 2. 2 times 7 equal to 14. So it's 4 equal to 14 plus c. Now take this over. Number must go to the number. So 4 minus 14 equal to c. So our c equal to negative 10. So since our c equal to negative 10, what you're going to do, you're going to replace this c here in equation 1. Replace with a negative 10. Okay, so I can simply say, just replace this. So then it's going to become, it's kind of freezing a little bit, right? No, apologies. Somebody constantly call me. I'm sorry. Okay. It's freezing. You guys cannot see, but I hear on the background it's freezing for me, so it means I can't even write. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'll replace that with the 10. When I replace with the 10, means it's gonna be the last option. You see now it's just freezing. That's what I was saying.